Imagine two people walk into the same room. One of them lights it up. Within minutes, they're surrounded by attention, offers, smiles, admiration. The other barely gets noticed. Neither is more talented, neither is richer. But somehow, one attracts everything: money, love, opportunity, and the other constantly struggles. Why? What's the difference? This isn't luck, and it's not looks either. It's a hidden psychology, a silent magnet that operates beneath your awareness. And today, you're going to see exactly how it works and how to activate it. Let's start with a story. In 2008, during the financial crash, two best friends, Josh and Marcus, both lost their jobs. Same age, same education, same city. Josh panicked. He tightened his budget, applied for hundreds of jobs, stayed home. Marcus didn't. He started posting short finance videos online for free. No views at first, but he stayed consistent. Fast forward 3 years, Josh is still stuck. Marcus, multi-millionaire, married to the woman of his dreams. Same starting line, opposite results. So again, why? Let's zoom out. In psychology, there's a concept called internal state projection. It means people don't respond to your words. They respond to your emotional baseline. According to a 2010 study published in the Journal of Personality and Social Psychology, people who radiate certainty, abundance, and grounded self-worth naturally attract more positive attention and trust, even if nothing about their appearance or resume is better. It's not what you say, it's what you believe about yourself, unconsciously transmitted. When someone feels abundant, safe, and worthy, they don't chase love or money. They invite it, and the world responds accordingly. Most people don't know this, but your brain gets emotionally coded between ages 0 to 7. If love was inconsistent, you chase validation. If money caused fights at home, you associate wealth with danger. If you had to earn affection, you keep proving yourself, even to people who don't value you. These codes run silently. You might say, "I want to be rich," but your subconscious is saying, "It's not safe. You'll be alone. People will hate you." This isn't your fault, it's programming. But the good news? You can rewrite it. Let's break down the 3 psychological traits that wealthy, loved, magnetic people almost always share, whether they know it or not. 1. Calm certainty, not fake confidence. They're not loud, they're not bragging, they're just calm. They move like they already belong in the room. This triggers something called status alignment, a subconscious reaction where others treat you according to the energy you project. Stanford researchers found that nonverbal dominance, like posture, stillness, and eye contact, influenced perceived competence more than actual credentials. Attractive people don't need love or money. They prefer it but don't chase it. Why? Because chasing repels. Neuroscientist Dr. Andrew Huberman explains that dopamine is amplified by uncertainty and autonomy. People and opportunities are drawn to what they can't fully possess. Neediness collapses mystery. Presence, detachment, and purpose attract. This is the big one. In 2022, a study by the University of Toronto found that your beliefs about what you deserve unconsciously filter your behavior, from eye contact to risk-taking to even how you walk into a room. People who believe they're valuable act like it. And over time, reality reshapes to match that belief. So how do you reprogram this? How do you become one of those people? The ones who attract effortlessly. Here's your starting blueprint. Catch yourself in moments of self-rejection. Every time you think, "I'm not good enough, I'm behind, I can't do this," stop. Literally say out loud, "Who told me that?" Because that voice isn't yours. It's borrowed. Every morning, speak as if you already are the version of yourself you want to become. Example: I'm the kind of person people trust with big money. I walk into rooms with calm certainty. I don't chase love, I radiate it. This isn't woo-woo, it's neuroscience. When you rehearse identity, your brain creates new pathways, and your behavior follows. You cannot grow in soil that resists you. If you constantly absorb scarcity, drama, or people who treat you as disposable, your nervous system stays locked in survival mode. Curate your inputs. Podcasts, friends, channels, even the background noise matters. Most people are not failing because they're lazy or dumb. They're failing because their nervous system is wired for rejection, fear, and self-doubt. They're trying to fix their lives on the outside. More money, more dating tips, more hustle, when the real war is inside. You don't attract what you want. You attract what you are safe to receive. And that changes the moment you decide, "I'm no longer a beggar for love or wealth. I am the source." So next time you see someone who effortlessly attracts success, don't assume they're lucky. Assume they're aligned, emotionally, internally, energetically, and you can be too. If this hits something real in you, don't scroll. Comment below, "I'm rewiring." Let's see how many of us are done playing small.